Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see and delete all your Facebook stories. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon. Then at the top right corner you need to click on the settings icon right up here. Then you need to scroll down and find your activity section and then click on the first one option, activity log, right up here. After that you need to click on your Facebook activity, and then you will see different options such as posts, saved items and collections. You need to find stories, here it is, and then you will see all your stories. So as you can see, I have no stories, but if you have some, you will see something like this interface. So if you want, you can click on the three dots next to the necessary one story, and then click on the hide from profile, for example, if you want. So and that's all, and that's how to see and delete all your Facebook stories. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.